This is the struggle I've been dealing with. The other night, my dog decided she wanted to chew and eat part of the quilt that I designed. I was so upset I was in tears. Well, I don't have any more of this fabric. I have this background fabric, though, what was cut off when the quilt was made. I also have some of the binding. So I can bind it. I can put backing in it. I can put batting in it. I did find this fabric online, and 2 yards are coming. So my plans for it are to take the stitching out that holds all of these together, and I'm going to come back a ways. I'm going to unstitch this, unstitch part of this, unstitch this binding back, this binding back, and with the fabric when it comes, I'll get it so I can match it and miter my corner again and hopefully get it square. That will be my next video, and I'm not sure when that will be. There won't be a video Saturday. I have not been feeling well, and so I won't be continuing the mixer cover this coming Saturday. My allergies are just so bad I can't. So, when I get the fabric for this, then I will schedule a video to show all of you how I repair the damage done to my quilt. Thank you.